The Monroe Max Air MA705 air shocks offer adjustable air support that helps keep classic Ford and Mercury vehicles level and composed when carrying extra weight or towing. Their wide compatibility with many vintage Mustang, Fairlane, Falcon, Comet, and similar models makes them a practical choice for restoring or upgrading older suspensions. The shocks can be pressurized to a high air level, allowing owners to fine-tune ride height and firmness to match changing loads without sacrificing comfort. A robust piston rod and durable internal components are designed to handle long-term use, giving these shocks a reputation for reliability on daily drivers and weekend cruisers alike. The all-weather fluid and carefully tuned valving provide a controlled, smooth ride across a range of temperatures and road conditions. Installation is straightforward for most applications, and the leak-resistant air fittings make it easy to integrate with an existing system or inflate manually with basic garage tools.